What? Frieza has a new form! On tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Frieza. Alright, here are his eyes. Here's his head. Now here's the visor. Wait a minute! Frieza doesn't have a visor! That's Cooler's power! Yeah, I know. I haven't got to finish. On tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Frieza as what he would look like as if he had the ability to transform into the transformation that Cooler has been able to become. Frieza possesses this power to transform into this other form as well. We're drawing Frieza's fourth form. Or should I say fifth form from Dragon Ball. Well, better make it the sixth. This is Frieza's sixth form from Dragon Ball Multiverse. On this document, we saw that Goku and his pals traveled to this tournament across the multiverse. It's not like the Tournament of Power or the universe involving all 12 universes. I'm sure you've already seen this one. We're going to be drawing Frieza. This is Frieza's sixth form, besides Golden Frieza. Frieza knew that he had the power to transform into this mode after he saw Dr. Light Chi's illusions. And he did transform into this mode after he was controlled by Bobbity. One last weapon. His tail. And there. That is Frieza's 5th form. I wish they showed this in the TV show. They did let Cooler transform into Golden Cooler in Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Same goes for Metal Cooler. If it's possible, why not him? Anyhow, if you want to find out more on how to draw Dragon Ball characters like this, leave a comment below. I've got more on the way. Anyhow, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. I'm proud you guys got to see me draw the greatest warrior on the Frieza Force. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.